What do you think of earning $25 for 55 minutes of reading emails? You can do this from anywhere in the world using your phone, and guess what? You can just repeat this as much as you want, and this is actually very simple, very easy. Anyone can do this without any experience, and this is 100% free. You don't need any investment or money to get started. So today, I'm going to be teaching you how to make up to $600 per day just by reading emails. Before we get to the actual video, however, if you happen to like this content and would like to see more, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. To keep up to date with my uploads, click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss any of my upcoming videos. I know it sounds hard to believe, but I'm gonna prove it to you in just a few minutes of this video. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. So the website that we're gonna be using today is actually this page I'm showing in the screen. Later on, I'll show you the exact link of this website and teach you how to make easy money just reading and other stuff, like some things you can have easy money making online. You just sit right there where you're at, maybe at your bedroom or in your computer setup, or where you can do all these things easily and make money online as quickly as possible. And yes, I know that it does say on the website that you can actually get paid to do surveys, but that's not what we're going to be talking about today. We've already proven that surveys are generally not the best use of your actual money because again, they are basically the easiest things to do. The most people actually do them, which means you generally make the least possible money to do surveys, but this site also offers other ways to make money on their site. You can see right here that the site members actually have made more than $7 million in cash. Not points, not anything weird like that, not credits, not gift cards. Literally $7 million in cash. You get paid directly to your account. You can cash that out into your PayPal or straight to your bank account. So what you want to do is create a completely free account on this website. You can see that they have a lot of offers right here to take, like reading emails for healthcare and pharmaceuticals for just 55 minutes to get paid $25. So they have a lot of different tasks. Generally, for the email tasks, they're about $10 to $15 per assignment, and those are kind of the ones that are gonna make you the most money. When you actually create your account, you'll see that they have a number of different categories here. They have cars and trucks, politics, sports, technology, shopping, and all these different types of things, but what you really want to focus on is shopping. They have a couple of different categories where you're gonna make significantly more, but shopping tends to be the one where you're gonna make the most bang for your buck and actually get paid the most for your time reading these actual emails. So once you hop inside of these categories, you're gonna see a ton of different listings and actual job posts for reading emails. The fastest way to make money, like I said before, is generally to take the ones in the shopping category, but what I would do if I were you, if you actually want to take this seriously and make money in the long term, is to try out an actual job posting for each one of their categories. See which one actually makes the most money for you with the least work, or the one that you actually enjoy doing the most. Another pro tip that you want to keep in mind is the only way that you're going to make $10 to $15 per assignment for doing this is if you're actually in one of their selected countries. And so what you want to do is you want to use what's called a VPN. A virtual private network that shows your computer as being in one of their approved countries like the USA or Canada, places like that. Because one of the problems that these sites have is people from countries all around the world will sign up and not really give any good quality work. And so what they do sometimes is they will have approved or preferred countries where you actually have to have your computer registered like it is in one of those countries to be able to qualify and make significantly more money doing this. So there's a lot of different free VPNs out there. This isn't going to be a tutorial about how to do that, but you can easily go and get one for free that will actually make it so your computer is like it's based on US or Canada. Although, if you're already in one of those countries, then you're totally fine. But if you're in a country outside of what their preferred countries are, you're not going to be able to make as much money doing this, so that's kind of a pro tip for you. Also, remember when you actually set up your account, you have to use an address that's based in one of those countries as well. You can actually go and find a random address generator or just go into Google Maps, look into Canada or look inside USA, and zoom all the way in. until you find an address and actually set that up right there, and that way it'll actually show that you're in Canada. The VPN will show your computer's location in Canada, and then you'll be able to actually qualify for the maximum possible payouts doing this. A couple other cool ways to make money with the site is you can actually use the referral program, and they also have a free sign-up bonus. To claim your sign-up bonus, all you have to do is just go to their site and then take your mouse as if you're about to exit, and an exit intent pop-up will pop up saying to sign up. Give them your email address, and then you can already earn $1 immediately deposited into your account just for signing up, which you're gonna do anyways. And if you scroll down on their site, you can see ways to earn actually shows all the things that they do. We were talking about reward mail, where you actually click reward mail and you can go to sign up and get paid to read emails, right? That's what we're talking about on this video. But if you actually go back to ways to earn here, another thing that you'll see is where it says referrals. Referrals mean that you actually get paid $5 for every single friend that you refer to actually join this site. So maybe somebody's gonna comment down below with their referral link, and other people might click it, or you can tell your friends and family members to sign up, or other people in social media that you know. It's probably not the most efficient thing in the world, but remember, at the beginning, as an entrepreneur, you have to take more time and actually grind for every single dollar so you can save some money that you can actually then use to reinvest into better and more profitable ways to actually make money online. So that's a bunch of different ways to make money with this site: reading emails, getting paid $25 an hour or more to actually do that, getting paid free sign-up bonuses just to sign up, how to qualify for more actual money by using an American or Canadian address and VPN, and even how to earn $5 or more using referral bonuses just to sign up and show other people about this site, which is a really simple and easy way to make some side hustle income. By the way, the site that we're talking about is called Vindale.com. Yes, just go to www.vindale.com, and now you can work from home, make money online, earn up to $25 for 55 minutes of reading email, and you can do this from anywhere in the world, just using your phone, your laptop, or any device that you have. So that is it. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. We post almost every day the best ways to make money online. Work from home, be happy, be a better person, and with that said, this is where I'll end today's video. Once again, if you happen to like my content and want to see more, show your appreciation by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you want to keep up to date with my new videos, subscribe and click on that bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.